Pit Smoke. My name is Charlie. Okay, hopefully my battery will last till I get through this, I hope. I'm going to take and trim up some of this fat off of here. Want it to be pretty lean. Okay, we're weighing it, and it's 1,259 grams. Brought it to 0, and now we want 38 grams of sugar. That's close enough. 38.05 grams of sugar. Put it in our container there. Non-iodized salt, which I'll be using sea salt. And with that, we want 38 grams. Put that on there and turn it on. Close enough right there. All right, now we're going to add some cure to it. And the cure needs to be 3.34 grams. There it is, 3.34. Not a whole lot. And then we're going to take and mix all this together. That's going to be hard to do, isn't it? But I think we'll do it. Oh yeah, that's going to be mixed together really good. Okay, now we're going to set the tenderloin down in there. Let me get me some more gloves. Okay. So now we'll just take and kind of make sure we get it all coated. Move that. Bring that over here. I want to roll it all in here. Make sure we get it all coated as much and as well as we can. Alright, I think we pretty much got it all coated there. Now, I got plastic bags to put that in, but I think I'm going to put it in a vacuum sealed bag. Man, you can already see that pork loin sweating. Now we're going to take and put it in here. Like so. And put it all there, and then we're going to take and put the rest of this in there. All of it we can. Okay. Now we want to kind of get it all as much as we can. There, I think that'll work. Now I'm gonna go pull a vacuum on this. Okay, we have it vacuum sealed, and it will be going into the refrigerator for a week, and then we'll bring it out, rinse it off, and then we'll dry it out. We'll be back. Okay. Hey, this has been about a week. Dry brine this, I vacuum sealed it, and you can see it's made its own juices. We have turned it, massaged it every day or so, every other day. Now it's time to take it out, rinse it off, and let it start drying out. I'm gonna put a fan on it probably to help it dry out. Then we'll throw it in the smoker. We'll be back. Okay, we've rinsed it off. We're gonna pat it dry, or get all the moisture off of it we can. Well, as you can probably hear, I have a fan blowing on it. It's putting some air across it pretty good. So we're gonna let this dry out. This fan should dry it out in a couple of hours, something like that. And then we'll place it on the smoker. All right, that looks nice. Oh, I think that's gonna turn out good. So hey, let's get it down to the smoker and get it on there. And we're gonna be using the probe that came with the grill to reach an internal temperature of 145. Okay. Let's get that Canadian bacon. I'm gonna place it right in the middle. I think that should do it. And we're going to go for an internal temperature of 145, but it's going to take a while because we got it low and slow right now. We're going to shut the lid on it. Okay, as you can see, we have our smoker set at 180. That's the lowest setting it has. Hey, we're going to let this go for a couple of hours or so. We're going to look at it periodically, and when it gets a good amber color on it, we're going to turn up the heat a bit. We'll be back. Okay, it's been 2 hours. We're going to look at this and see what it's like. It's been there at 180 for 2 hours. Looking pretty good. That color really looks good. Oh yeah. And we have an internal temperature of 133 degrees. We're going to kick it on up a little bit now and let her finish cooking. That is looking good. The color really looks good. A good amber color. Hey, we got it kicked up there. We moved it to 225 and internal is 134. We got an internal temperature of 147 degrees, and it's time for this to come off of there. We'll have to let it rest and we'll cut into it. All right, let's slice into it. See what it looks like. That is gonna be good. Oh, it smells awesome. Now, let's fry some up.